Assalamualaikum. Angham Beirut, Amoaz Cafe Restaurant. I show you how to make chicken liver Lebanese. The chicken liver 150 gram, nicely clean. This garlic chop, this onion chop, salt, Angham special liver sauce, sweet paprika, this one sauce, Roman sauce. Okay, now I am studying this liver, how to make. Okay, open fire.
How to make a Lebanese
I need to fire from.
chicken livers. So let's see. So this is fresh chicken liver. Fresh chicken liver.
Okay, and now olive oil. I mean hot little. Now I put liver. Nice and fry. Five minutes, like that I will fry. 2 or 3 minutes, like that. I mean, it will be cooking nicely.
Wow, just look at the fire. Look at the fire. It's looking so nice, and our chef
This is coming all done.
is cooking that.
Coming inside the last this one moving. Cooking nicely, coming straight. Good.
So how many minutes you will cook like this?
Only 4 to 3 minutes like that.
4 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes like that, okay.
Okay.
Now,
So what is that, chef?
and good garlic.
This is
One
garlic.
spoon.
1 spoon, teaspoon. Okay.
Yes. 1 spoon
White onion.
white onion.
Okay.
Little bit salt.
This is salt.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I am adding.
You will mix it, right?
Yes. Mix that. And a little golden onion.
Wow, it's looking nice.
And it around nicely. Onion, garlic. Now,
What is that?
sweet paprika.
Sweet paprika.
Yes.
1 spoon, right? Okay. 1 teaspoon.
Now I mix nicely. And little bit cook the fire.
Okay, chef, what is that?
This Angham special
Angham special sauce.
sauce.
Okay.
Liver sauce.
So how many spoon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So 5 dinner spoon. Okay.
Now you make again.
So you will mix it nicely.
Nicely.
Okay.
This one little coming dry.
Okay.
You add after. Remove fire.
Wow, it's looking nice.
Now I add this.
Chef, what is that?
Roman sauce.
It's a deep Roman sauce.
Yes.
How many spoon?
Only one little
1.5 spoon. Teaspoon.
teaspoon.
Okay.
Again after you add this salt.
Chicken liver. It's looking very nice. Okay.
I put salt. It's perfect. Now my chicken liver ready.
So is it ready, chef?
Yes.
Wow. So
Now we cut this chicken leg.
wow, nice. So this is Lebanese chicken liver.
Both garnish, okay, like that. Put little parsley in the top.
The top.
Now my chicken liver ready. Angham Beirut, Chef Mohin.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay. Thank you very much.